Good afternoon, I'm Brad with Keller Williams. I'm here with Javier from ACT.
Hi folks, I'm Javier Perez with Absolute Comfort Technology, also known as ACT. Today I'm going to talk to you about some easy things you can do to prevent a service call to save you some money. Majority of homes that we visit for a no heat call, meaning heating not working, is that a dirty filter. And I'm going to show you exactly where you can look for a filter system in your existing furnace in your home. So this door right here is open up. This filter here will slide out. As you can see, that's a pretty dirty filter. Just by having this dirty filter can actually stop your home from heating. So what we'll do is get that filter, and you can see the difference between a dirty filter and a clean filter. We'll go ahead, put this filter in.
Now, does it matter which way you put the filter in?
Yeah, so right here, you're going to see that's basically in Spanish, that's in English. So airflow. This is actually sucking air from this area, going into the furnace and out through the ductwork. Then you go ahead and then the slot.
And how often should someone change their filter?
Depending on your living conditions, if you have dogs and cats in the home, if you live on a dirt road, I would say every 3 months.
Okay. How would they know that, hey, it's time to change the filter?
I would do it just like you do your smoke detectors, do it on a 3-month reminder. And also, most thermostats you can set up to have a filter reminder on your thermostat. So it will prompt you every 3 months or every 90 days to check your filter.
What signs will your furnace give you, though, if you forgot to change it to remind you?
Good question. You'll have a no heat. So basically, no heat producing, or your fan will completely stop working, period.
Okay.
The other one is right over here. This is where we have a heat pump system over here. You'll start seeing ice develop around your refrigeration lines all the way through here mainly. And when you see a big block of ice or you see ice around it, that's a tell sign that you have a dirty filter that needs to be cleaned. Now there's going to be other things that can cause that, but mainly it's a dirty filter.
Okay. And now, a commonly asked question I get asked is, what's the difference between a furnace and a heat pump?
Okay. So this is what we have here is what we call a dual fuel system. So we have a gas furnace paired with an electric heat pump. This is purely electric. This unit can heat and cool your home. If you don't have access to natural gas to your home, you're going to put a heat pump in your system because this is the most efficient way to heat your home or cool your home. If you strictly have gas in your home, if you have natural gas to your home, then you can go ahead and opt on just a gas furnace paired with a electric air conditioner.
Okay. Okay. So just depending what's available at your home.
At your home, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, how often should someone have their furnace serviced and cleaned?
Usually the most common is going to be spring and fall. That way you're prepared for the summertime and you're prepared for the winter time. And we do offer preventive maintenance programs to help you with those sort of things. If you don't want to deal with it, remember, we can call you and schedule it with you.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time today. If you have questions about buying or selling a house, call me, Brad Chandler, 509-312-0921. And if you have questions about your furnace, your filters, your air conditioning, give Javier a call. Javier, how do they get a hold of you?
You can call the office directly at 509-388-2997, 509-388-2997.
All right, thank you, Javier. You have a good day.
Thank you. Appreciate it, guys.